Buenos dias, estudiantes de Scholar Academy. Mr. Pratt here, and I have one final message for you coming from our Hope Week last week. I'm sure you noticed as you walked in this morning that the cereal boxes were gone. Now, I know that you were expecting a cereal domino, and I did video one for you. And I know that's not quite the same as seeing it, but the reason for it is amazing. So let me tell you why. I made a phone call on Friday to the food pantry, and I called them at about 4:15 in the afternoon, and they closed at 4:30. So I was just expecting to create a plan as far as when we were going to drop off these cereal boxes. I knew they were closing soon. I knew they were closed for the weekend. Maybe I was going to bring my van to school on Monday, pack them up, and take them, Monday after school. So the guy answers the phone. His name was Scott. This is Scott right here. Scott, I introduced myself to Scott, and I say, hi, this is Mr. Pratt from Scholar Academy. I told him what we did, which, by the way, we collected 201 cereal boxes. That's pretty freaking amazing. Congratulations, you guys. That's awesome. Anyway, I introduced myself. I told him what we had done, and then there was silence. And it was probably only like half a second, but it felt like a 5-second pause where it was just silence. And then on the other end of the line, this man, Scott, goes, I love you guys. And he went on to say, our shelves in our pantry always have cereal on them, and for some reason this week, we've run out. So what we did immediately is becoming helpful to our community. Scott says to me, I release my crew at 4:30. Do you mind if I bring a box truck over to your school to pick those up today? So our cereal boxes that we collected last week are wasting absolutely no time getting themselves onto the pantry of the community that we love. And that's all thanks to you guys, owls. The food pantry is going from no cereal on their shelves to 201 boxes, all thanks to you. So congratulations, guys. We did a really good thing. And without any further ado, here's the clip of, our domino that we did for you. Hopefully you can understand why you're not getting to watch it in person, and hopefully it's just as fun. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Cereal box domino chain, 201 cereal boxes. Y'all ready for this? Guys, give me a countdown from 5. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Congratulations, Scholar Owls. All of that will be going to our food bank thanks to you.